Welcome back everybody to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. We are back and quarantine's got me working from home. We're at the home office today and we're going to do a little bit of work on the Blazer. Now, I've wanted to take more of it down to bare metal. As you can see, this stuff's starting to rust. But it has been way too cold to be out and doing this, and it's pretty freaking cold tonight, but I want to get something done on this. So first chore is to get the plastic off the bumper, and then we're gonna get the bumper off, and we're gonna set it on the ground, and we're gonna grind it until it looks like that. Let's get after it. Power tool. Ooh. I tried to loosen it from that side because something's going on with that feller. We're gonna figure that out here soon. So we got one right around here that you can only access from the top, and one right here that is pointed down. We gotta figure out how we're gonna get in there to get that one loose, but let's see if we can find a workaround for that. Alright, so them fellas on the internet said that you're supposed to take the grill off and get to it real easy. Now we just gotta give a little, oh shit, a little tuggy tug. That's it. Fucking sweet. Well, who would have guessed? Them internet fellas were right. Get to that one there, that one there. That's it right there. She's free. That's it, this whole turd's off of here. Now, I gotta get that bracket off, flip it over, separate this from this, because we're gonna paint this black again, and this is getting stripped. Nice. There we go. This was a replacement piece. So like you would buy this and then paint it the same color as your truck, but they wanted theirs black, so they painted it black. They didn't do a very good job. It looks like they painted it while it was on the truck. It was a really poor job that they did, huh? So you know what Daddy's gonna do? What? He's gonna fix it. He's gonna do a good job. No. You think so?
Yeah, well, then you don't fix it. Well, you're not.
So now you can see, it's upside down, but you can see all the runs in it that you probably couldn't see from most distances. And like they just did an absolute poor job. So we have run into a small bit of an issue. This bracket right here, oops. This bracket right here is pretty bent to hell. It's supposed to be straight, completely straight down that way. It is not. I'm not in a situation where I have a vise. Okay, so we got a bumper off, we got the lower valence off, put all that back on just so I could drive it tomorrow to work and back. That's getting taken to metal tomorrow night. And this, that old trim and bumper paint, I don't know, I thought I bought bed liner, but this is what we're getting, so this is what we're doing. I've got to get like some of the run areas off of that and try to get as much of the loose paint off there as I can. And then we're gonna have spray some paint. We're gonna spray some paint on that. So our setting's a little bit different than when we first started. The project ended up taking a little bit longer than I expected, but we're gonna finish it today, hopefully. Next step, gotta take this, make it look like the hood. Okay, so top's done. There's really no need to go back that far. It's all covered by the grill. It's just more stuff to rust. And I'll just leave the paint on there until I go to clear it. Then I'll probably clean it up. Now we gotta flip it over. Okay, so as it turns out, I do have a little bit of sandpaper, not quite what I need. I've got some 320 on one of my Durablocks here, and I'm gonna try to get some of these runs out of here. I don't know if this is gonna be coarse enough, or if I'm gonna have to look for some more. Awesome. So we just found the shittiest rag in the shop. Wipe this thing down. We're gonna wait on it to dry with our special pre-paint cleaning solution. It's water. And then we're gonna hit this with some spray. I've never used this stuff before, but I assume it's just like any other paint, where you don't want to get full coverage on the first hit. You probably want to do 50 to 40% passes. Make sure that you're just getting even passes and it's a nice consistent theme throughout, you know? Brush that shit out. Okay, so it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. We're gonna put the next coat on there. Make sure to shake your can again. Okay, while we're waiting on that last coat on the lower valence to dry, we're gonna go ahead and throw this guy back up on here. Remember how it goes. Like this. So, I've got the valence popped in there. Still just a hair wet, but I got overexcited. I got it popped into place and man, it looks a lot better, that's for sure. Now I'm gonna try to get some of these bolts in here. And I doubt I have all of them. Thanks for watching this episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Really appreciate all of our viewers, and to show our support, we've uploaded a whole lot of new designs in our merch store. That's definitely-not-mechanics.com. We've got neck gaiters, we've got backpacks, we've got hoodies, we've got some of our new logos out as well as some of our old ones. And of course, we have stickers and hats as well as beanies. So be sure you guys are picking up more of that merch because it really helps out with our projects. You guys be on the lookout in 2021 for some more content. We're going to be putting out more content than Riley Reid and Lana Rhoades combined, bro. See it here.